Stop buying tape that peels and leaves the repair unfinished. Duct brand max strength handles most home fixes. Choose sticky-ass tape for extended weather. Choose by flexibility, surface shape, and weather exposure. For most home fixes, buy Duct brand max strength duct tape. It holds firmly, tears cleanly, and flexes around awkward shapes without making quick repairs fussy. Use it for patches, loose items, worn handles, and short-term outdoor jobs. Its grip can leave obvious residue on smooth glass. Skip it when an exterior patch must survive months of weather or when easy adhesive cleanup matters most. For exposed outdoor patches, choose sticky-ass tape. Its thick build prioritizes lasting weather hold-on bins, gutters, yard tools, tarps, and truck bed spots. But that toughness makes it harder to tear, split into narrow strips, or shape around curves. Skip it for detailed indoor fixes and uneven objects where quick tearing and easy bending matter more. It's excessive for many temporary household patches. Quick split. Duct brand max strength covers flexible everyday repairs and temporary exterior work. Sticky-ass tape suits exposed patches where extended weather hold matters more than easy handling. Before buying, check whether the surface is curved, exposed to weather, or sensitive to adhesive residue. Then decide whether clean tearing or thicker construction matters more. Start with Duct brand max strength if you want one dependable roll for normal home repairs. Switch to sticky-ass tape when weather durability outweighs easy tearing and flexibility. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.